ASK Indian Entrepreneur Portfolio is one of the oldest PMS strategies in India with a track record dating back to 2010. It follows a quality growth approach, investing in entrepreneur led business with strong profitability and governance. But the key question is, has this strategy justified its 2.5% annual fee in the recent years? This video helps you to understand the performance of this scheme. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. First, let us look at the fund's snapshot. AMC ASK Investment Managers, inception January 2010, AUM 7,661 crores. Minimum investment rupees 50 lakhs, portfolio size 23 stocks, benchmark BSE 500 TRI, fixed fee 2.5% per annum, variable fee 1.5% plus 20% profitable share above 8% hurdle, exit load 1% for 3 years and nil thereafter. Market cap allocation: large cap 65.5%, mid cap 17.7%, small cap 11.8%, cash 4.9%. Here the investment philosophy is a fund focus on entrepreneur led business with PBT above rupees 100 crores, ROCE above 25%, strong promoter ownership, high earnings growth and strong corporate governance. Portfolio reality: the top holdings include Reliance Industries, Kotak Mahindra Bank, TCS, Jio Financial, Ultratech Cement and Bajaj Finserv. Here are the key observations. There are already common holdings in most large caps and flexi cap mutual funds. With 65.5% allocation to large caps, portfolio differentiation becomes difficulty to justify. And next, let us look at the suitability. This PMS may be suitable for investors with a 10 plus year horizon, investors who entered before 2018 and have significant gains, investors who strongly believe in the quality growth investing philosophy, and investors whose existing portfolio has minimal overlap with the PMS holdings. This PMS may not be suitable for investors already holding large cap or flexi cap mutual funds, investors uncomfortable paying 2.5% annual fee during periods of underperformance, and investors seeking a differentiated satellite allocation, and investors still within the 3-year exit load period. Next, let us look at the performance review, returns versus benchmark. Downside protection. First, let us look at the recent market correction. 3-month return: PMS negative 6.85, benchmark negative 2.34. 6-month return: PMS negative 10.35, benchmark negative 5.39. The portfolio fell more than the benchmark during a recent market correction. Active management did not provide downside protection when it was needed most. Here are the key observations. Since inception, return remains strong at 15.05%. However, the PMS has underperformed the benchmark across every meaningful recent period. The 3-year alpha is negative 7.77% and the 5-year alpha is negative 6.07% annually. Next, let us look at the calendar year performance. Strong years are calendar year 2023 with 37.18%, calendar year 2024 20.47%, calendar year 2025 33.66%. Weak years: 2018 with negative 13.22, 2026 negative 9.46. What this means: strong individual years have not translated into strong long-term compounding. Over the last 5 years, the benchmark has comfortably outperformed. Next, let us look at the fee reality. 5-year numbers: PMS return, gross return is 8.73%, fixed fee 2.5%, PMS net return is 6.23%, whereas benchmark return is 12.30%. So here the net alpha is negative 6.07%. Here are the key insights. The fee did not reduce alpha. There was no alpha to begin with. The strategy underperformed the benchmark even before fees. Next, let us look at an illustration. What if you invest rupees 50 lakh and look at the metrics after 5 years? ASK Indian Entrepreneur Portfolio would have grown to 67.5 lakhs. BSE 500 Index Fund would have grown to 89.7 lakhs. An active Flexi Cap Mutual Fund would have grown to rupees 1 crore. After 7 years, ASK Indian Entrepreneur Portfolio PMS would have grown to 81.1 lakhs, BSE 500 Index Fund 1.25 crores, Active FlexiCap Mutual Fund 1.38 crores. Here are the key insights. Compared to the index, investors missed out on roughly 22 lakhs over 5-year period, and compared to average FlexiCap, the gap exceeds rupees 32 lakh over the 5-year period and 57 lakh over the 7-year period. Next, zero-based thinking test. Ask yourself, if I had rupees 50 lakhs in cash today, would I invest in this PMS again? Remember, what are you buying? 65.5% large cap portfolio, significant overlap with mutual funds, 2.5% annual fee, 1% exit load for 3 years, and underperformance across 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and 5 year period. If the answer is no, then the allocation deserves a fresh review. Next, decision factor scorecard. First, let us look at the positives and then we can move on to negatives. First, positives. Strong long term track record since inception, clear and disciplined quality growth philosophy, experienced portfolio manager, transparent communication, stable investment process. Concerns: negative alpha across all recent periods, high 2.5% fee, significant overlap with mutual funds, weak downside protection, and limited differentiation despite PMS pricing. Next, exit consideration. Exit load 1% for the first 3 years and nil thereafter. Taxation: long term capital gains above rupees 1.25 lakhs taxed at 12.5%. Short term capital gains taxed at 20% plus cess. Tax is calculated at the individual stock level. Here is the practical tip. Review tranche-wise entry dates. Consider staggered exits if tax liability is significant. Next, a quick summary: what works and what doesn't work. First, what works: strong long-term track record, disciplined quality growth philosophy, experienced management team, transparent communication, and consistent investment process. What doesn't work: persistent benchmark underperformance in recent years, high fee structure, significant mutual fund overlap, weak downside protection, and limited differentiation despite PMS pricing. Next, key takeaways. ASK Indian Entrepreneur Portfolio has a strong long-term history, delivering 15.05% CAGR since inception. Recent performance tells a different story, with 5-year return of 6.23% versus 12.3% for the benchmark. Negative alpha exists across every trailing period from 1 to 5 years. A 50 lakh investment would have generated about 22 lakhs more in passive fund over 5 years. Portfolio overlap with large cap and flexi cap mutual fund is substantial. The quality growth philosophy remains intact, but recent results have not rewarded investors. The 1% exit load for 3 years is more restrictive than most PMS structures. Here is our final verdict. ASK Indian Entrepreneur Portfolio has a credible investment philosophy and an impressive long-term history. However, investors should focus on recent outcome, not just since inception returns. Over the last 5 years, the PMS delivered 6.23% CAGR against 12.3% from the benchmark while charging 2.5% annual fee. For investors already holding diversified mutual funds, the portfolio risks becoming an expensive overlap rather than a differentiated PMS allocation. The long-term story remains attractive, but the recent numbers deserve careful attention before continuing the allocation. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.